Bless up.
Woo! Ghost! Gang! Fam! What's going on with y'all, young boys today? I'm coming back at y'all with another video, you dig what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, you dig what I'm saying? Be a part of the Ghost Gang family. Be a part of something, you feel me? Be a part of something in 2020. That's the new motto, bro. Be a part of something in 2020. You dig what I'm saying? If you are not following me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all those links are in the description of this video. So make sure y'all go do so right now. That's where you can watch my stories. You know, you could get the behind the scenes of my life. It's like Instagram is kind of like a vlog. I don't really post pictures anymore too much. I always post like stories and shit, so you it's kind of like a little bit of vlogging a little bit, I guess you could say. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All those links are in the description of this video, so go down there and click on that link. I already got on the camera today, bro, to be honest with you. Like I told you, man, I get on here if I see something on the net, if I see something on Instagram that I fuck with, man, I'm gonna make a video about it. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all niggas a heads up. Pretty sure y'all niggas already know, cause I looked around, a couple niggas already made a video about this shoe. Probably gonna be the biggest release of the year. You know what I'm saying? In 2020, and the year just started. And we don't really even know what to expect later this year. What we do, we kind of got an idea of what's coming out. You know, we got rumors and shit like that. Y'all already seen by the title, man, the Dior Jordan 1s. Those, maybe the highs. As far as I know the lows are coming out, bro. Dior, designer shit, you feel me? Come on, man. Stop playing. Stop playing, bro. Those shits is hard as fuck. Now, granted, if you a normal nigga like me, you feel me? You could afford them, right? A god damn, you gonna be broke after you buy them motherfuckers. I ain't even gonna hold you, big dog. I could buy them now. They 2 bands. But think about it. Like, all right, look. Hear me out, right? If you do buy these, right? I think they're gonna be retailing for like $2,000. Some people say $1,200, between $1,200 and $2,000 is what they saying. Also, I think only like 1,000 pairs are gonna be made, right? If you buy them, the flip on those will be crazy. It's gonna be between $30,000 to $50,000, bro. Like the resale, like no cap. So if you invest $2,000, right? Buy them shit, you could flip them for 30 to 50 bands. Like, I mean, hey, if you wanna take that chance, go ahead, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. You're gonna get them off. The shoe that if you invest into it, you're gonna get them off. This is a designer Jordan, like, you feel me? Like, you get what I'm saying? The average flip is gonna be between 30 to 50,000, I'm telling you. So if you make that $2,000 investment, bro, if you got it, bro, you gonna come up. Like you gonna be down bad for a couple of days until you find a nigga that's gonna pay for them shits. Or you can just take them to a sneaker shop. But you gotta take them to like a known sneaker shop, like a known sneaker boutique and shit like that. The niggas that's willing to pay that shit, to pay that type of money, you feel me? I know it's like some shit's on Rodeo Drive in Cali. You know what I'm saying? You might wanna take a plane ticket. I forgot what the sneaker shop is called. But I know it's a popular ass one on Rodeo Drive, and this one in Vegas, that these niggas spend big money on like super limited sneakers, cause they got the money to be like, oh, you want 30 bands from here? Take it, and they'll buy them right off you feel me? And it's on some legit shit. Y'all looking to invest $2,000 in some shoes to flip them hoes, which you gon' get your money back times 10. You don't cap, man, I'll do it though, but I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I might have to take that chance, you feel me? They're saying these are only gonna be released in like, they're not gonna be released in no fucking retailers. It's gonna be released around the globe, I guess, in like select boutiques and select Dior stores. So all I gotta do is just lead you to the water. I can't make you drink, you feel me? They're saying they're dropping sometime in April. So they just released a campaign with Travis Scott wearing the highs and the lows. In my personal opinion, I think the lows are the better looking one. I don't really rock with the highs. I think I got 1 pair of highs, or Jordan 1s, 2 pair of lows. So, but I prefer the lows. I like more of a subtle look, you know what I'm saying? The lows, you can pull them off with shorts, pants. You can do a lot more shit with lows. And these just look better. The Dior, you know what I'm saying? The Dior 1s just look better anyway. But these just fire though, man, in my opinion, man. Some hard body shit. Let me know down in the comment section, what are your opinions? Would you invest $2,000? This is a question. Would you invest $2,000? Like say you down to your last $2,000. $2,000 to your name. Would you spend your last $2,000 on these and your rent due tomorrow and your rent like $1,500? Let me know down in the comment section, man. I'm curious. If you aren't following me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all those links are in the description of this video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. It is the one and only MajorKixx.